Welcome back again. In the last two sessions, we already covered introduction to rural entrepreneurship and meaning of rural entrepreneurship. In addition to this, we have also seen the basic principles of rural entrepreneurs, rural entrepreneurship in changing environment, and in the last session, we have seen both meaning and definition of rural entrepreneurs. Now, in this session, we are going to see the risks faced by rural entrepreneurs. What are the problems or challenges for the rural entrepreneurs? Let us see one by one. As we know, most of the rural entrepreneurs face peculiar problems. Peculiar problems in the sense illiteracy, fear of risk, lack of training, and lack of experience, limited purchasing power, and competition from urban entrepreneurship. These are the general problems which are faced by rural entrepreneurs in the rural areas. In addition to this, there are some major problems which are faced by rural entrepreneurs are number one is paucity of funds. Most of the rural entrepreneurs fails to get external funds due to absence of tangible security and credit in the market. If they go to bank, the banker will ask some collateral security to be pledged to give credit to them. So such security will not be having with the rural entrepreneurs. The procedure to avail the loan facility is too time consuming. In addition to the security, this is also another problem. That is, its delay often disappoints the rural entrepreneur. And lack of finance available to rural entrepreneurs is one of the biggest problems which the rural entrepreneurs is bearing nowadays, especially due to global recession. And in addition to this, they have lack of infrastructural facilities. Most of the rural entrepreneurs having low level of infrastructural facilities or poor level of infrastructure facilities. And next one is competition. We know today in every business there is a competition. In most of the business there is a huge competition. We call it in a business language called cutthroat competition. So rural entrepreneurs face severe competition from large sized organization and urban entrepreneurs, especially after the 90s when India adopted liberalization, privatization and globalization. Even though we benefited from this multinationals, there is a severe competition from these business to rural entrepreneurship or local businesses. The rural entrepreneurship, in the rural entrepreneurship, they incur high cost of production because of the high input cost. Major problems faced by marketers are the problems of standardization and competition from large scale units. Competition from large scale units also create difficulty for the survival of new ventures. New ventures have limited financial resources and hence they cannot afford to spend more on sales promotion activities. These units not having any standard brand name under which they can sell their products. The literacy rate among the rural consumer is very low. So competition is another biggest problem is faced by the rural entrepreneurs. And next one, middlemen, or what we call it as agents or brokers in between the farmers and the purchasers. Middlemen they exploit the rural entrepreneurs. The rural entrepreneurs are heavily dependent on these middlemen for marketing their products who pocket large amount of profit. Storage facilities and poor means of transport are other marketing problems in rural areas. In most of the villages, farmers store the produce in open space, in bags, or earthen vessels. So these indigenous methods of storage are not capable of protecting the produce from dampness, wheels, etc. The agriculture goods are not standardized and graded. Hence, they are compelled to sell their product immediately to the market. Most of the time, when they are not getting sufficient demand for their product in the market, they are compelled to depend on these middlemen. These middlemen, by seeing the conditions of the farmer, exploit the situation for their benefit. That means middlemen's benefit. Next problem is legal formalities. We know that there are low level of literacy among the rural people. That gives a negative impact for the rural entrepreneurs also. In order to sell or purchase any commodity or goods or produce in the market or from the market, every seller or producer need to know some legal formalities. Because of illiteracy, these rural entrepreneurs find it very difficult in complying these formalities in obtaining licenses because of illiteracy problems or ignorance problems. And we know that today for everything we depend computers or internet or online platforms that requires knowledge of information technology. Since there is a low level of literacy among the rural entrepreneurs, they cannot have the knowledge of information technology. It is not very common in rural areas. Entrepreneurs are rely on internal linkages that encourage the flow of goods, services, information, and ideas. The intensity of the family and personal relationship in rural communities can sometimes be helpful, but they may also present obstacle to effective business relationships. And next problem is procurement of raw materials. It is a really a tough task for the rural entrepreneurs. They may end up the poor quality of raw materials and may also face problems of storage and warehouse. As we discussed earlier, they have lack of storage facility. And in order to have good quality of raw materials, they do not have funding facilities that we have seen, a paucity of funds. So because of these problems, rural entrepreneurs are not able to come to the mainstream of the society or mainstreams of the business. With this saying, we are ending this session. Thank you.